In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Expedia account. By the end, you'll be ready to start planning trips with a profile that keeps everything in one place. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Expedia. This is the quickest way to get to the site if you don't have it bookmarked. Typing the name into the search bar will bring up the official website right at the top. Next, click the first result or any result that clearly shows expedia.com in the URL. That ensures you're heading to the legitimate site. If you want to be extra careful, look for the secure padlock icon in your browser's address bar and confirm the spelling of the domain before proceeding. Once you're on the Expedia homepage, look toward the top right corner and click Sign In. This button is easy to spot on desktop and mobile web. Clicking it opens a panel where you can create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Now, choose your preferred registration method. If you'd like to register with email, enter your email address, your first and last name, and create a secure password. A strong password uses a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoids anything easy to guess. Aim for something you haven't used on other sites to keep your account safe. Take a moment to double-check for typos, especially in your email, because that's how you'll receive important trip updates. If you see any optional marketing checkboxes, adjust them to your preference before continuing. Alternatively, you can use a social sign-in for a faster setup. Select Google, Apple, or Facebook, and follow the prompts to link your existing account. This method pulls in your basic details, which means you won't need to create a separate password for Expedia. Just make sure you're choosing the account you want tied to your travel bookings and that you're comfortable with the connection. If a pop-up asks for permission, allow it to complete the link. After you finish the sign-up, your Expedia account is ready to use. You now have access to tools for booking stays, flights, cars, packages, and more. You can start exploring deals, compare options, and keep all your itineraries organized in one place. Your account icon will let you manage your profile and view upcoming and past trips whenever you need them. As you begin booking, saved details can make checkout faster on future trips. That's it. You've created your Expedia account and you're set to plan your next adventure. Thanks for watching and enjoy your travels.